Common hawthorn is a flowering tree that shares a surprising relationship with members of the rose family. Despite that relationship to a common family of ornamental plants, Crataegus monogyna is not as often the centerpiece of the garden. Instead, it often appears in hedges and other background areas. However, there are a few famous examples of this tree, including one common hawthorn specimen that grew in England and flowered 3 times a year. There is also a common hawthorn known to France for its incredibly old age. The term hawthorn comes from the Anglo-Saxon language. In that language, you could break that term down into fence and thorn. This seems to refer to the thorns on this plant and its historical use in hedges. Interesting, those thorns are one of the features that make this plant stand out from apple trees, which bear a similar look in form and fruit. Another contribution to this plant's common name is how often it appears in the landscape. Of all hawthorns in existence, this one is the most common one you'll find. Common hawthorn is an excellent species to plant from an ecological standpoint. It gives shelter to small birds by shielding them with its thorns. Through that protection, predatory birds are not as able to hunt and kill vulnerable species. Many birds also love eating the fruits that this plant produces, which prove to be rich in antioxidants. Thrushes and redwings are among the bird species you can find visiting common hawthorn.